Hello everyone, this is Joel over at Just Document Preparation. Today I wanted to talk about how fast the process is for a divorce in Riverside County, California. So, we often get a question from our clients, and there's a lot of misconceptions about the divorce process just floating around as well. And that's regarding how fast or how long does it take to complete a divorce in Riverside County or California. Riverside County, one of 58 counties that has a family law court in it in California. The process and the timelines are pretty similar throughout the state and throughout all the different counties. So this information for Riverside County is pretty loosely applied to all the other counties as well. It should be noted in California, the soonest that you can return to a single status, meaning your divorce has been finalized, you are single, you are able to remarry, 6 months and 1 day from the day that the initial documents are served on the other party. So in all cases, all divorces, there's going to be an initial petition that's filed. This is where you're opening the case with the court, listing information, maybe there's children, maybe there's assets, maybe there's debts, all of these things, general information. The court takes it, opens the case, issues a case number. Those documents are always required to be served on the other party, meaning the other party gets a copy of it knowing that they have a court case. It is from that day that they receive the documents that the 6 month and 1 day countdown starts. So it doesn't automatically mean that petition and then in 6 months and 1 day you're done. That's the soonest that you can return to single status. So after the petition is filed and served, another timeline inside of that is going to be that the respondent has 30 days to respond. And at that point, you can move on to the second stage of the divorce process. The petition, all the initial disclosures, attachments, that's the first stage. Filing it, opening the case up, serving the other party. After the 30 days, the respondent has either responded or not responded. At that point, stage 2 of the divorce can move forward. This is called the judgment stage, where you are going to seek the court or the judge to sign an order known as the judgment. This is where all the terms of the divorce are laid out and ordered. This could be custody, visitation, child support, spousal support, assets, debts, or if there was none of those, just simply moving to terminate the marriage. So that second stage, if the parties are in agreement, they can complete it, sign it, give it to the court. About 2 months later, and this varies by county to county, but Riverside now, about 2 months, the judge signs that divorce order, that judgment, and returns a copy to each parties. At this point, you still haven't hit your 6 month and 1 day mark, but you are essentially done with the court. No more appearances, no documents to file. You're just waiting the remaining time until that 6 month, 1 day. And then on that day, the court doesn't notify, mail anything. They've already sent your judgment. On that judgment, it already has the specific day that you return to single status. In contested cases, maybe the respondent has responded, maybe they're setting up hearings, maybe those hearings are continued and there are trials. Easily in those types of cases, you're going to pass over the 6 month and 1 day mark without being done. You're still going to have hearings coming up. You're still going to be trying to figure out if you can come to an agreement. In those situations where you've passed the 6 month and 1 day mark, it will be effective when the judge signs the divorce judgment. So in that situation, it can take longer. But again, no sooner than 6 months and 1 day. So essentially, if the question was, what's the fastest I can be divorced or return to single status? 6 months, 1 day. What's the soonest I have my paperwork back from the court? I'm done. 3 to 4 months in Riverside County, and then you're waiting the other 2 months to that 6 month, 1 day single status. So we've been helping with divorce document preparation since 1996. We're always checking cases with the court to make sure that they're processing smoothly, that there's no holdups, so that all of our clients can have their divorce final orders, judgment in their hand as soon as possible to make sure that they can have their single status on that 6 month, 1 day, and then move on and carry on with a new stage in their life. If you have any questions, we are definitely available to talk. Thank you.